Preparing for the API 653 exam? Let's break down a winning strategy for the 2026 testing cycle. Success on the API 653 exam comes down to mastering its two distinct modes: closed book judgment and open book code navigation. Many candidates struggle by making one of two critical errors. They either memorize terms without practicing with the official reference documents, or they incorrectly assume the open book portion will save them from weak fundamentals. A passing score requires a balanced approach. You must be able to make sound inspection judgments without assistance and efficiently locate precise answers within the codes under strict time pressure. Your entire study plan must be built on the correct documents for the 2026 exam cycle. This means using the official March 2026 Body of Knowledge, or BOK, and the publication's Effectivity Sheet. The BOK outlines every testable topic, while the Effectivity Sheet lists the exact additions, addenda, and errata you'll be tested on and have available as PDFs. For 2026, this includes critical updates to API 653, RP 575, and RP 576. Using prep materials aligned with an older Effectivity Sheet is a significant risk. For the closed book section, you need to know the everyday working knowledge of a tank inspector cold. This isn't about memorizing paragraph numbers. It's about deep familiarity with core concepts. You should be able to handle questions on tank components, inspection types, corrosion rate logic, and remaining life calculations without hesitation. When you see a scenario, you must immediately recognize if it involves a repair versus an alteration. This foundational knowledge allows you to answer quickly and save valuable mental energy for the open book section. The open book section is a test of speed and precision, not a safety net for knowledge gaps. API provides the reference PDFs, but you won't have time to read them for the first time. Success here depends on knowing the document map. You must practice finding specific tables, figures, and exceptions under exam conditions. Focus your drills on high-value lookups like shell and bottom evaluation criteria, settlement analysis figures, welding and NDE requirements, and the specific damage mechanisms listed from API RP 571. Avoid the common traps that cause candidates to miss questions. The first is underestimating the open book section and failing to practice timed lookups. You must know which document holds the answer before you start searching. The second major error is confusing the definitions of repair, alteration, and reconstruction. Many scenario questions hinge on this classification. Finally, don't treat the listed API RP 571 damage mechanisms as mere vocabulary. You need to understand where they occur, what causes them, and the appropriate inspection response. Adopt a practical study loop that builds durable skill. Use practice questions as diagnostic tools, not just a way to chase a high score. After each timed set, analyze every mistake. Was it a true knowledge gap, a slow lookup, or a simple reading error? This analysis tells you exactly what to fix. Reread only the relevant source section, then do a few more related problems. Crucially, start doing mixed question sets early in your prep. This forces you to practice identifying the topic being tested. Ready to put this strategy into action? Your next step is to see where you stand. Visit the full article on open-exam-prep.com for a detailed 10-week study plan and more insights. You can start applying these techniques right away with our free API 653 practice questions. Use them to diagnose your strengths and build a targeted study plan based on the official 2026 Body of Knowledge.